Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can match beat automatically on CapCut. So after you import the clips and also the music or audio that you want to match the beat automatically, just click on the audio file on the timeline here and then swipe through the menu until you find beats option. Click on that, and here if you want to add the beat manually, but if you want to automatically match the beat, you can just use the auto generate options from CapCut. So enable these options and then you can just choose between the beat 1 and beat 2 provided by CapCut. And after that, just click on the check icon and you can see now your audio has been marked. So this is where the beats, the yellow dots here, and that's basically it. I hope you will like this video, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, click on the thumbs up icon, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.